What's good, tech family? Urban Tech Reviews, and this is going to be a real quick video. I made a video before about how to make phone calls from an iPhone, but some people left me in the comments, I didn't show you where the number pad was, how to make a phone call from the number pad. So that's what this video is about. So if you already know how to do it, you might want to skip this video and move on to the next one. But if you don't know how to do it, here we go real quick. So what you do is on your iOS device, so you want to hit the little green phone, and the little green phone will take you to other options at the bottom of your screen. You have favorites, recents, contacts, keypad, and voicemail. Now what you want to do if you want to make a call from the numeric keypad is hit keypad. Once you hit keypad, your numbers will pop up, and then you dial your number that you want to call and hit the green button and dial your number, and that's it. That's how you make a phone call from the numeric keypad on an Apple iPhone. So stay tuned for more videos like this. If this video helps you, click the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, all you got to do is hit my logo. We out to the next one. Stay blessed, family.